So these are the two images I chose. The top one's for Americans, the bottom one's for Indians. Americans will see this and think cultural familiarity because we live in a melting pot and we want to embrace that. So, we have all the different cultures around us, and it's just basically the cultural familiarity with that. It also has codes in it, the semiotic codes, because deep down everyone knows that these are flags on the people's hands. So that will help them understand, what that we're going for all different types of groups, races, peoples, religions, and everyone should be treated equal. And then emotional appeal is, no one needs to be treated differently. No one wants to be treated differently. Everyone should be treated the same. We're all the same, the inside and out, and that goes back to the first part of the thing. But, like I said, so that is. It's just going to appeal to the emotions. It's going to see, everyone's hand is the same. They're all just painted. It's going to appeal to the codes because they all know the logos, the flags, and then it appeals to the emotions and the cultural familiarity because, like I said, they all know what these flags are. Everyone will relate. And then if we go to Indian, there's several things that I want to point out. One, the first one is this different codes, the semiotic codes that they have. These are things that they can see and they relate, so like this guy, the horse, the temples, these are all things that are part of the Indian culture. And, it just helps embrace it and makes them, remember it better. And then cultural familiarity, like I said, that's kind of very similar. We have different things that, like music, plants, the way they dress, this is all things that help the Indian people relate to their culture. And then it appeals on the emotions because they see these things and they know them and they like them and they want to keep them going. And we all have a heritage. People embrace their heritage. People are very proud of their heritage. So these are things that is going to appeal to the emotions of the people, And then, like I said earlier, they're going to be culturally familiar with their layout and their design.